Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to cover 3 common head turn mistakes I see and how to fix them. So hang tight. Head turns. It's easy to say turn your head, but it's not so easy to do. The reason I believe that riders have trouble with head turns is because it really isn't as natural as we think. If you think about it, we don't do much in life where we turn our heads quickly, where we turn our heads in advance before making a movement, or where we turn our head and look behind us by just using our head. Now, let's look at an example of what I mean. Usually, if we're walking and want to change direction, the head turn and the change of direction is almost simultaneously. We don't do this. Now, if somebody was standing behind us and called our name, we would turn our whole body around to look behind us. We don't just turn our head. I think because it's not natural for us to turn our heads all the way around without turning our whole body, riders would tend to stop their head turns parallel to their shoulders. I hope those examples help to illustrate why we have such a hard time when it comes to proper head turns needed to ride a motorcycle. Now, let's talk about the first common mistake, which is slow head turns. Remember, the handlebars will always follow your head and your eyes. So a slow head turn equals a slow handlebar turn. Now, this makes for a wider turn because as you are slowly turning your handlebars, the motorcycle is still moving forward. Now, in this next video, I want you to notice how wide my turn is due to my slow head turn. So as I describe it, you want your head turns to be quick and precise. Because the quicker your head turns, the quicker your handlebars will turn, which will make for tighter turns. In this next video, I want you to notice how much tighter my turn is due to my quicker head turn. So as you can see in that video, just by turning my head quicker, my turn was tighter. The second common mistake is that riders tend to have their chin down when making their head turns. Now, when you have your chin down, it restricts your head turn because the chin is blocked by your shoulder. This is even more of a problem if you wear a full face helmet. So you want to keep your chin up level with the horizon so you can get a full head turn. The third common mistake is that riders don't look far enough ahead into the future. Now, when riding a motorcycle, you want to be one step ahead, meaning you want to look where you're going, not where you are. Again, this is easier said than done because it goes against our natural instincts. If you can get your head turns better, it will vastly improve your slow speed maneuvers as well as your overall riding. But once again, this is much easier said than done. So you have to be deliberate when you're practicing it. Now, let me know how your head turns are in the comment section below. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.